Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple ideas that help you take better care of your health. Today's topic is something very popular in modern lifestyle. Almond milk. You see it in stores. You see it in coffee shops. Many people choose it instead of regular milk. It looks clean. It feels light. But here is the real question. Is almond milk truly better for your body, or is it just another trend? Let's begin with why people like it. Almond milk is naturally low in calories. This makes it attractive for those who want to manage their weight. You can drink it without feeling heavy. It also does not contain lactose. For people who feel discomfort after regular milk, this becomes a comfortable option. Digestion feels easier. Your body reacts more calmly. Then comes the idea of healthy fats. Almonds contain beneficial fats. These fats support your body when used in balanced amounts. Some almond milk products also include added calcium. This supports bone strength. At this point, it sounds like a perfect choice. But now, let's look deeper. Not all almond milk is the same. Many store products contain added sugar. This changes everything. What looks healthy can quickly become unnecessary calories. Another important detail is the amount of almonds. Some products contain very small quantities, mostly water. This reduces real nutritional value. Then comes protein. Regular milk contains more protein. Almond milk contains much less. This means it may not keep you full for long. You may feel hungry sooner. Another point many people ignore is sensitivity. Some bodies react to nuts. This can cause discomfort. So what should you do? Do not follow trends blindly. Choose carefully. Look for unsweetened options. Check the ingredient list. Simple composition is always better. Use almond milk as a part of your diet, not as a replacement for everything. Because almond milk is not a miracle solution. It is a choice. A useful one when used with awareness. Balance is always the key. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay smart, take care.